Next is bone physiology. So in bone physiology, it is made up of organic and inorganic component. So organic in cells, which is osteoblast, osteoclast and osteocyte. Inorganic 60 to 65% from calcium phosphate. Okay. Protein matrix. Organic is protein matrix, collagen 1, osteoconnectin, osteoblast. Okay. Osteoblast causing the bone formation, osteoclast causing the bone resorption, osteocyte is mature osteoblast. Okay. Now bone marker. So there are various bone marker, procollagen 1, osteocalcin, osteonectin. These are the bone formation marker. Bone breakdown marker is hydroxyproline, hydroxylysine, N and C telopeptide. There are various type of bone, spongy bone, cancellous bone and cortical. So cancellous bone is present at the ends of bone and cortical is present at diaphyseal level. Okay. Now various types of bone graft taken from iliac crest, osteogenesis. So it has bone graft has various properties. It has osteogenesis, osteoconduction and osteoinduction properties. Osteoblast is bone forming cell, osteoclast is bone resorption cell. Okay. Next is bone forming marker. Bone forming marker is procollagen 1, osteocalcin, osteocalcin, and the breakdown marker is hydroxyproline, hydroxylysine. Okay. So formation marker is procollagen 1 and osteocalcin, breakdown marker is hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine. Now traumatic fracture pattern, there could be various fracture pattern. Transverse fracture. So this is, let's assume this is humerus. So transversely fractured, or it can be obliquely fractured, it can be spirally fractured, or it can be comminuted fracture, segmental multiple fracture. So this is the type of fracture pattern. Fracture healing, first is hematoma formation, then granulation, then callus formation, then consolidation, then bone remodeling. Non-union, if fracture did not heal in 9 months, it is of 3 types: hypertrophic, atrophic and oligotrophic. Now the open fracture Gustello-Anderson classification. So type 1 is less than 1 centimeter wound. Type 2 wound is 1 to 10 centimeter. Wound greater than 10 centimeter with gross contamination is type 3A. Type 3B is soft tissue damage along with periosteal stripping. Type 3C is vascular injury with large wound. Okay. Now the various named fracture which can be asked in exam. Galeji fracture, distal 1/3 of radius fracture with DRUJ disruption, we have learned already. Montegia, Coley, Smith, Barton, Choffer, we have learned in upper limb fracture. Bennett fracture, it is first metacarpal partial fracture. Rolando is complete. So you have to understand, Bennett is partial, it is first metacarpal, complete is Rolando. Boxer is fifth metacarpal neck fracture, because boxer ऐसे hit कर देते हैं दीवार पे, तो it causes the fracture at fifth metacarpal. बम्पर फ्रैक्चर, इट इज लेटरल कॉन्डल ऑफ टिबिया, जंप करने पे लेटरल कॉन्डल ऑफ टिबिया में फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है. रनर फ्रैक्चर, इट इज स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर इन फिबुला. पॉट्स इज बायमेलुलर फ्रैक्चर, लेटरल एंड मीडियल मेलुलस फ्रैक्चर. कॉटन इज ट्राइमेलुलर फ्रैक्चर, मीडियल, लेटरल एंड पोस्टीरियर मेलुलस. नाइस्टिस्टिक इज मिनिमली डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्रैक्चर ऑफ अल्ला. Holston Lewis we have learned already. So these are the X-rays. Pots you can see medial and lateral malleolus fracture. Holston Lewis we have learned already. Cotton, this is the trimal fracture. Boxer, fifth metacarpal. This is external fixator. This is Ilizarov fixator. Various instrument. This is bone nibbler which helps in nibbling of bone. This is plate holding. Plate holding. And this is periosteum elevator. Okay.